Hi, it's Sam here from Firewave, and today in this Whiteboard Wednesday we're covering part 3 of our 3 video series on the one-page marketing plan. So if you've watched the previous 2 videos, and if not, go back and watch them. This is part 3. Today we're talking about the after section of your one-page marketing plan, and when you get the marketing plan right, it's a super clear way of sharing with your team and also telling yourself what you need to be doing in your marketing to make sure that you're really taking your agency to the next level. So the after section of the one-page marketing plan is about customer experience, your reputation, and your referral strategy. So first of all, customer experience. What are you putting into your customer experience? How do people feel having worked with you over several months and sometimes even years to sell their home? What would people say about you? And that then leads into your reputation. So if you've got a reputation for selling rubbish homes, for example, and your customer experience really kind of mirrors that, then that's all you're going to get from then on, because your referrals waterfall downwards. It's unlikely that somebody with a £1 million home is going to recommend you to a £10 million home, or even a £100,000 home is going to recommend you to a £1 million home. There are, of course, exceptions, but it is unlikely. And because referrals waterfall downwards, you want to make sure you're starting with the very, very strongest base you possibly can do here in customer experience. And that becomes, part of your selectivity strategy if you have one. So we sell this kind of house, we specialize in this kind of property. And that's really where the customer experience shines. And that starts all the way back up here with understanding who your market is. Once you've got your customer experience nailed and you've got exactly the right customer experience for your fees and your type of home that you're selling, that builds your reputations. You've got case studies, you've got success stories, you've got testimonials, all that echo your customer experience. And then your referral strategy, there's 2 kinds of referrals in my book. You've got professional introducers, which are paid introducers. It might be solicitors or accountants, financial managers, that kind of person. And then you've got the people who just refer you because they think you're great, and you're going to send them a gift afterwards and say, thank you so much for referring us. And they do it because nothing to do with the reward, but everything to do with the relationship they've built up with you. But again, they all start here with the customer experience you're offering. That's it. It's pretty simple, really. There are 9 boxes in the one-page marketing plan. I've done one of these for many, many, many clients, and we haven't filled the boxes with that many things. 2 or 3 things at the most, really. You don't need great big streams of things that you do. You just need to do the things that you do well, and you need to do them in a very focused manner. Now, if you're watching this video on the Firewave group, then congratulations, you're already in the Firewave group. And if you haven't then taken the next step, which is to check if your area is available, because we only work with 1 client per area, then please do go to Firewave, which is fire-wave.co.uk/start, and find out straight away if your area is available. We'll waitlist you if not. If you're not watching this in the Firewave group, you need to be in the Firewave group to see amazing videos like this and lots more besides. So search on Facebook for Firewave World-Class Lead Generation for Estate Agents, and we'll also link to it here as well. And we'll see you in the group. Thank you very much for watching this Whiteboard Wednesday video, and I'll see you soon.